Hello everybody. So bought this last year for our camper because it's a little bit quieter and I couldn't afford a $2,000 Honda. Got this for like 600 bucks. Didn't get a chance to use it last year. I made a mistake of parking it and not draining the carburetor. So we went to use it this year. Had a heck of a time getting it started. And then we had a little bit of a leak in the gasket here at the bottom of the bowl. Finally got it running. It still leaked. So I contacted Benchmark, the company that services them, via email. Still not heard from them. Where to get gasket kits. So I went to our local place. The only thing we could find close was this one. And the only gasket that was good for that one was this. The rest don't even match. So I put it back together, and it was a real pain because there's two screws that hold this electronic throttle adjuster thingy, and they're hard to get in. Got it all back together. I ran it. Now I'm just going to let it sit and see if it leaks. Another thing I've done is talking to the small engine guys is I paid $40 for a gallon of gas. But what I'm wanting to do is I have lawnmowers and generators. Before winter, I'll drain everything and then I'm going to run a little bit of this through it. And then make sure the carburetor is drained, which I thought I did, but apparently not. When it was running, it did fine. Running our, we have a 13,000 BTU air conditioner on our camper. The first time it kicked in though, it shut this off, but I think I still had some bad gas in it. Got it going again, and it did fine. That's running off of this 30 amp plug. So anyway, I've redone the one gasket because that's the only one that fit. Got it running, and we'll keep you posted. You have a great day. Bye for now.
Just to follow up on this video, the carburetor did not leak. We did use it one weekend and it worked fine. I could go almost a full day on that 7-liter fuel tank, running our air conditioner almost all day. So far so good. Thanks for following. Like, subscribe, comment. You all have a great day. Bye for now.